How's it going, everyone? So today I'm gonna have a little bit of a different format kind of video for you guys. It's gonna be a first impression. Recently in the community, I made a friend named John Beeble. If you guys are in the community, I'm sure you guys know who he is. Very, very active in the community, and I was friends with him before I even knew who he was. He's actually the owner and perfumer for a house called January Scent Project. And when I found that out, I was like, oh my God, I actually talked to this guy. I found it out through actually Cephalabon. And I was reading one of the articles, and back and forth, I talked to John a lot, and he actually contacted me and said he wanted to send something. He didn't ask for me to review it or anything. He just offered to send it to me, which, John, I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So I just wanted to take the time and unbox the thing that he sent me. I'm not really sure which one he sent. He didn't specify, so I'm excited to really check this out. Got the box right here from John. I'm going to cover his and my address. This is the shipping box, and I'm gonna unbox it and let's see what we had to offer. I'm excited because I heard a lot about this house and I've read a lot of articles. And like I said, it was surprising to learn that he was the house perfumer behind it. Especially since, like I said, I became friends with him before I even knew that. So, you know, that was really cool to find out. And all right, let's see. Opening up here. This is my first unboxing. I'm sorry if I'm really bad at it, but let's see. He sent me a card. I'm gonna read that personally by myself. Thank you, John. And dang, he sent me a bunch of samples. And holy crap. Hold on one second. He sent me a cool bag with a bunch of samples with their logo on it, the January Scent Project. Cool amount of samples. I'm gonna check these out later. And then he sent this, which is in the box too. John, thank you. This is way too generous and way too kind. Wow. He sent me the full presentation. Holy crap, John, thank you so much. Selperniku, which is one of the ones that they recently got a lot of notoriety for. John, this is way too kind of you, my man. I appreciate this. Oh, man. If you look here, I'm going to open it up. Really put in there really nice and tight. I like the presentation of the box as well. It's really in there nice and snug. Wow, this is so cool. I love this bottle. This bottle's so cool. It's got all the info on the back. This is an Eau de Parfum concentration, 30 mils. Has the ingredients on there. Wow, just look at that top. That top is really neat looking. Almost looks like a crystal or a gem. Really awesome. And then also you see January Scent Project and the name right there. I have no idea how to pronounce that. The marine part of me is coming out. I have no idea how to read that. So I'm sorry, John. And let's see. The top is on there nice and snug too. You can definitely grab this by the top. Really cool. And let's see. Wow. I gotta do another spray of that. That is That is delightful smell. That is really. It starts off with this like almost. I didn't look up the notes or anything for this, but what I'm getting right now from the top is this citrus, woody, almost like a pine or fir, and it's really good. Wow. Wow, this is gonna be perfect for this upcoming spring and summer season. This is a delightful smell. There's something in there that's sweet. And I'm not quite sure what that is, but I'm getting this beautiful, beautiful, almost citrus top with, like I said, a fir note or a pine. I'm not sure. It's a very woody, sweetened with citrus and something else in there that's sweetening it with a little bit of spice as well. This is a really, I really, holy crap. Wow. Wow, this is a really, really good scent, John. Holy crap. I, you're way too kind, my friend. I wholeheartedly appreciate it. This is so, so nice. Wow, I don't know what else to say in these first impression things, but this is definitely, I'm gonna definitely do a full review of this later on, but this is fantastic. I'll definitely have the notes by then, but this is a beautiful scent. Really well done, John. Really well done. Wow. I don't know what else to say other than wow, it's terrific. I really like this scent. Guys, check out January Scent Project out. Really cool artisan perfumes that are just, this is fantastic. John, thank you so much, man. That's so kind of you, and I really hope that you guys go over and check his fragrances out. This is, I love this top. I love it. I love this top. I can't wait to see how this wears throughout. This is fantastic. You guys, go check out John at January Scent Project. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know first impression, like this is my first impression, so thank you guys so much for watching and being patient. But guys, go check out January Scent Project. John is a great guy. He got this out really quickly too. I'm really, dude, thank you so much, John. You are a staple in the community, man. Like I said, I saw that you were active before I even knew that you were the perfumer of this, and that's always awesome. You have a great positive attitude, and you are an artist, my friend. I think you actually are an artist, and you like multiple venues of art. But this is artistic, man. This is art in a bottle. I'm getting a little bit of sandalwood now, guys. I'm gonna do a full review of this later on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Go check out January Scent Project, and as always, and most importantly, go frag yourselves.